Adding a favicon to your website with HTML is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open up the web browser. Then search here for favicon. Now go into its images and search for favicon PNG in the web browser. So now tap to open up the image in the new tab. Then click to save the image in the downloads folder. Moving on to the next step, open up the new tab and search ICO converter. Then click to open an online ICO converter site. Now choose a file you want to convert. Select the image and you can also choose the size and bit depth of the image, then tap to convert it. Then save this converted image in your PC. Tap to open the image from your PC. Now copy this favicon.icon file to your website directory.